What do you guys know about Islam?
I know Muslim girls every time need to have hijab
Yes. I love that you know that and you pronounce it so well. Where are you from?
from Ukraine.
Do you know why the Muslim women wear the hijab?
Yes, because she need only her beautiful face only for her man.
And her family, right?
Yeah,
What do you think about that?
I think it's good.
Yeah, that's pretty nice, right?
It's yeah.
And it's interesting, right? Anything that we love and find valuable, we protect. Wouldn't you agree?
Sometimes yes.
Sometimes, yeah. So you have this phone right over here. This has a case, correct? Why do you have a case on it?
Because my phone can broke and save my phone.
Yes. Within Islam, we know that the most beautiful asset, the most beautiful thing to the world is a woman. Beauty of a woman could be snatched, it could be harmed, it could be taken, and we don't want that to be done by anyone whatsoever. That's why when God has commanded women to protect their beauty and to cover their beauty, that's the reason. So I'm just giving a quick example of a phone.
Very nice example.